I'd like to talk for a second about a French cooking style called sous vide. It's French for vacuum packed, and the way it works is you take your protein, in this case pork chops, and you put them in a plastic bag and drain all the air out of that bag, and then you heat the water to, in this case, 144 degrees is the target temperature. Once it reaches that, I'll set a timer for an hour, and these pork chops will be cooked perfectly without losing any moisture. Pork chops are famous for being dry or not cooked very well. So my methodology is to cook them in a bag here. I'd like to talk a little bit about a couple of different recipes going in the future. I'd like to have a great recipe for making steak and omelets and things like that turn out like beautifully. So the way that this model works is there's a wand, right, and you clamp it to your pot, and then you roll this dial, this blue dial here at the bottom, lets you set the temperature. So you can actually buy an expensive vacuum sealer, and I have purchased one, and we'll review it here in another video. But this method uses just a Ziploc bag, and you put your meat in it, and then you submerge the meat in water, and it causes the bag to suck up against the meat, and then you get it right up to the edge of this Ziploc, and you seal it up, and that's how you vacuum seal the bag. Of course, to get more sophisticated, you'll want to use expensive equipment, but you don't have to start with that. There's also expensive containers that you can cook, where it's a whole unit, a water bath unit. Instead of doing that, I went with the wand. In this case, a model from Anova. This is about $100 on Amazon, and it's Bluetooth capable, so you can tell your phone to watch it and do things. We'll do a review on that at a later time as we play with it more and get more familiar. But you roll the dial until you've set the target temperature, and then you push play, or you can do the whole thing on an app. And then it just spins the water. There's a heating element down in this part that heats the water to a certain temperature, and then an impeller that spins the water around, circulating the water to make sure that it reaches the right temperature. And you just leave your meat in here for about an hour, and well, for this recipe, about an hour. Other recipes can take up to 24 to 48 hours, depending on a brisket or something like that. Anyway, more to come on this because there's so much more to explore. But for now, I just want you to know that sous vide, it's kind of a cool way to make food. And with steaks, they turn out perfect every time because you set the temperature for 135 degrees or 140 degrees. You know it's cooked fully through, so you won't get foodborne illnesses. And you also know that it's medium rare the way you like it. Or in my case, medium well, which is 140 degrees, I want to say. 142? Don't quote me on that. I'll have to do some research. But you set the timer, wait the allotted amount of time, and when you're done, your steak is perfect. It still needs to be seared on both sides to give it a crust, but the results are outstanding. Anyway, look for more in an upcoming video, but for now, that's all I got for you. See you on the next one.